Got instant noodles, eggs, and cheese? Let me show you how to turn them into this cheesy ramen omelet wrap. Bring water to a boil and cook the instant noodles until tender. Drain them well, then mix in the seasoning packets. Set them aside. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl and beat until smooth. One of the reasons I love this recipe is because it's affordable and made with simple ingredients. With just a couple of packs of instant noodles, eggs, and cheese, you can make a filling meal for 2 to 3 people. I'm curious, which instant noodle flavor is your favorite? Chicken, spicy, seafood, or beef? Let me know in the comments, because I'm always looking for new flavors to try. Pour the eggs into a heated pan and let them cook until the bottom begins to set. Add the seasoned noodles on one side, then top with plenty of cheese. Fold the omelet over the filling and let it cook for another minute or 2 until the cheese melts beautifully. Finish it off with a drizzle of Japanese mayo and a sprinkle of sesame and black seeds. Simple, cheesy, and seriously delicious. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or whenever those instant noodle cravings hit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know if you'd give this recipe a try. From instant noodles to something extra special, this is proof that you don't need fancy ingredients to make delicious food. Thanks for watching, and remember, cook with love, eat with joy, and I'll see you in the next video.